So let's understand how we can create a Python program that can delete Chrome browser history. The first thing that we have to make sure is we have the required modules. The first one is OS and the second one is Shotil. OS is a pre-installed module, so we don't need to install it. But for the second one, we have the following command that says pip install pytest shotil. After the installation, we can start writing our program. First thing that we have to do is import the modules that says OS and shotil. I have already installed the module, that why it says requirements already satisfied. In your condition, if you haven't done that, it will install the module. Now we can start writing our function that says delete Chrome history. And then we have to write the functionality. The first thing that we have to assure is the file location. So for that, we will say history file, and we will specify it with the file location that is stored in a C drive of your system or wherever your default system is. For my, it's in C. So let's specify it under C and then user. And you have to specify the username of your system. For my, it's strange. So I'll say strange, and then we have to specify the further location. So this is the file location where the history is stored. Now we have to create a if condition that says if os.file.exists, which means if okay, it's not file, it's path. If this path exists, then we have to make sure that it will delete it. So first we have to specify the file location. Now if this exists, we have to specify os.remove, and this will remove this file that says history. And after we remove this file, we have to do the second step, that is remove the logs of the history. So for that, we have the shotil module which says shotil dot remove tree, that says r tree, and then we have to specify the path. Now the path is very similar to this one. All we need to do is just copy, paste it here, and we have to just add journal. And after that, we are good to go. Now we can print that history has been deleted. So for that, we'll say print and history deleted. Now after that, we have to specify a else condition that if the path is not found, then we can print history not deleted. Okay, history not found is much better. So that's all you have to do to create a program that can delete Chrome browser history. And I'm not going to run and show how this is going to work because I have some important logs in my history that I cannot delete. So that's all in this video. Hopefully you have learned something from this. You can find this code in the description, and it will also be added with two more files, that is Mozilla Firefox history deleter and also one to delete history of Safari on Mac. So you can try it if you want, and thank you for watching. Hopefully you have learned something. Make sure to do subscribe and also follow me on GitHub.